Tonight on our exclusive 5 on Your Side investigative series into the owners of rental properties failing to pay their taxes.
And News 5 was able to track down some of these tax cheats. Now they're paying up. 5 on Your Side Chief Investigator Ron Regan first broke this story, and Ron, it's prompting some big changes.
Well, it's tax dollars that you're paying directly to those reaping huge benefits, but failing to pay their own taxes. And it was going unchecked for years until we began asking questions. It's a home you've never seen, but you're paying the rent. Part of a government program that pays up to 70% of rent directly to landlords, so low-income families can find safe and affordable housing. But we found, despite being subsidized by taxpayers, property taxes went unpaid, taking a big bite out of everything from public safety to schools. As a result of our investigation, that's changing.
We agreed to collaborate going forward.
The Cuyahoga Metropolitan Housing Authority that oversees the program.
Specifically, we met with the treasurer.
Plus the Cuyahoga County treasurer.
Well, at this point, we've established a link with CMHA, and so each year, actually twice a year, they're going to receive our delinquency list.
Are now sharing key data, identifying tax cheats.
And we will then take that list and correlate it to any subsidized units that we have currently under contract.
It's a list that our investigation found was not being reviewed, but we did. We reviewed thousands of delinquent property records, then matched them to owners receiving your tax dollars. Across Cuyahoga County, we found at least 233 homes owned by landlords who have failed to pay property taxes, more than $1 million. Now, CMHA will be sending delinquent notices to those same landlords we identified in our reporting.
You've been identified as a landlord that's receiving subsidy through the Housing Choice Voucher Program, that the county tax records demonstrate that you are delinquent.
This information will give CMHA the tools that they need to address the concerns that they have with their landlords.
To match those properties with delinquencies.
Correct.
In turn, the Housing Authority will be giving landlords an ultimatum.
The county tax records demonstrate that you are delinquent on taxes, that needs to be brought current.
Well, 5,000 landlords receive those tax subsidies. Now, if they don't pay up or begin a payment program, they'll be banned from receiving your tax subsidies that pay the rent in any future properties. I'm Chief Investigator Ron Regan.